go all the way up. Pull it up.
In it. I think that one too, because nobody in there. Everything is rolling. Oh, they hit really bad of the hurricane, guys. That one on the right side and the right side. Oh, that one broken. Nobody in there. It's really nice to explore. Check it out. What is happening? What is going on side to side? Oh, but that one is have people in there. I think that's only the one is the one hit really bad. The one is the nearby the water. Because mine sometimes you forgot need to drive on the left side. Oh, look at that. Michael do it the amazing tour. It's really fun.
Really gotta pull up navigation.
Okay.
We just trying to go to Freeport.
Navigate us for Freeport Harbor.